Hi beauties, welcome back. How are you? What is going on? I'm just going to dive in right now. It's BoxyCharm day. I got my BoxyCharm today. I already peeked in it. I did see some spoilers for this one. I'm kind of a little sad. I'll tell you why. But if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Liza. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you love BoxyCharm. Leave me comments down below if you get BoxyCharm and what did you get this month. Let me talk to you about the product that stood out the most to me from last month is no other than the Ofra banana powder. You guys, I cannot stop using this. I used it on my look today. I've used it on my last couple of looks. And yeah, I can't stop using it. It's so good. It literally is so versatile. It's ridiculous. Like you can use this as eyeshadow. You can use this as an eyeshadow base. You can highlight with this. I set my concealer with this and it just smooths out everything. It just helps everything come together, doesn't crease anything. The smell of banana in it is not strong at all, and as a matter of fact, when you put it on, you can't smell it at all. It's very faint when you actually go in to smell it. But you guys, so good. I absolutely love this. And yeah, I'm pretty like shocked that this was the product that stood out to me. I love the packaging. I love liquid lipsticks from Ofra. This is not my first time using this brand. I've used a lot of their stuff in the past. I've also done mystery boxes by them. But you guys, this right here, this banana setting powder is amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm going to continue to use it, and it also brightens up the under eye as well. It doesn't leave like a harsh effect behind. It's just really subtle and really smooth. But I will say, don't go into, if you have this, don't go in too much with it, because then it's just gonna be overkill. If you do, just take a brush and dust some of it away. But yeah, you guys, I'm loving this. Okay, so let's get into the BoxyCharm for this month. So this month's theme is fresh start to, you know, a new year, blah blah blah. Okay, I was pretty excited for some of the stuff in here, surprised by the prices. There's, oh my gosh, one thing that's $82. My total value of this box is $207 this month, you guys, and I only paid 26 bucks a month. If you don't have BoxyCharm, you need to get on the bandwagon. It still is the best subscription box that money can buy. It's totally worth it, and I totally recommend it. Let's get into the first one, which I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the other palette that's floating around in some other variations this month. But this month I got the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. It runs for $30. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft applications. So this is what it looks like. Now there's another variation going around with the Violet Voss palette. I was praying that I would get that, but unfortunately I didn't. And that's okay, because I will say the last Ciate London palette that I got, I gave it away. It wasn't my vibe. But the thing that kind of stood out to me for this one was the box is a matte finish, and it's a mauve finish, and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. And let me show you the inside as well. Even the packaging is, I already scratched it up with something there, I don't know. I was playing with like a liner or something and it got on the cover. But the packaging is the same way. It's like a matte finish. It does not feel cheap at all. It's really, really pretty. I really like it. It comes with a mirror and the little slip that I usually throw away if they don't have the names on it. I like the color story. It's just very neutral, simple, but beautiful. I really like how they stamped the eyeshadows in here. I've never seen a stamp like that before, and it is really, really pretty. And I'm very intrigued, especially this super duper shimmery one right here. It doesn't have the names on it or anything like that, but usually their palettes don't. But you know what? I'm really gonna try this one out because they really sold me on the packaging and the imprint and the colors of the palette. So I'm not that disappointed. It's okay. If they offer that Violet Voss palette, like when they do their open store and like add-ons and stuff like that, maybe I'll grab it then, but we're just gonna keep it moving. It's all good. So the next thing that I got was by Pharmacy. It's a Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer, an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. This runs for $38. It is super heavy. I love the packaging. I've tried Pharmacy stuff before through BoxyCharm. The ones I have tried have not worked for me. So I'm gonna give this one a go because a couple of days ago, I finished my Milk Vegan Moisturizer, which is like the best thing ever. I haven't been able to get another jar. So literally, you guys, like my face is so dried and it's like flaking. I'm just like, that's why I'm like far from the camera because I've got some dryness going on and it is just not cute. But it's so funny because I need a moisturizer and it came in my BoxyCharm. So I'm definitely going to give this one a try. I'm just going to read to you. It was very intriguing for me. This refreshing formula contains a blend of moringa water, papaya, and willow herb phytonutrients known to help reduce shine and clear pores of dirt and impurities. Powerful moisture, magnets, hyaluronic, and polyglutamate acids hydrate skin, ideal for combination and oily skin. Applied to clean face, use AM and PM. Obviously avoid contact, you know, around the eye area. But I'll be honest with you, I don't like the smell already, but I'm definitely going to try this. It's not a bad smell. It's just a very clean, unique smell. Like I don't think I've ever smelled something like that before. And you can, yeah, you can definitely smell the herby smells in it. So I hope it's not a smell that lingers because I'm probably not gonna like that. But I hope that this really, really works for me because a mama here is dried as shit and she needs to fix this crap. So I'm glad that I got a moisturizer to try, a new one. So that's the second thing we got. The third thing we got was a Persona Cosmetics Power Brush. Power Brush is your multitasking dual-ended best friend. This synthetic vegan brush allows you to highlight with one end and seamlessly apply your blush with the opposite end. Designed for powder and cream applications, this runs for $24. I'll be honest with you, I think this is the first time I've ever gotten a Persona item in one of my BoxyCharms. I have tried their liquid lipsticks before. I love the colors, but they're a little bit drying for me. But I absolutely love their like neutral palette that they have that came out a couple of years ago. I love that palette. It's so good, you guys. It's ridiculously good. But yeah, this is for blush and highlight. It's pink. It feels super soft. I think I literally have like one dual-ended brush in my entire brush collection, which is not that big, but it's like 3 cups full. So it'll be nice to try one of these. The next item, which is freaking $82, you guys, is by Dr. Brandt, and it is Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. $82, but we all know that Dr. Brandt is like pretty much up there, and most of their products are pretty expensive because they work. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. I do have another one for my under eyes that kind of gives it like a nice glow and reduces puffiness as well, which I really like. So yeah, I'll be trying this out as well. You guys, $82. I was just like, when I saw that price, I was like, holy crap, you guys. Getting into our last one, which I'm really, really excited and intrigued over because it is by a brand that I've never heard before. A brand that I've never tried before, obviously, but it is by Bali Balm. And it is Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. You guys, I like swatched this on my hand when I got the box earlier. The smell is so invigorating. You can smell the orange and the coconut, like definitely to a T. And the formula feels really, really nice. I have not tested it yet on my lips, but I am excited about this one. Let me take it out the box so you can see what it looks like. It is a orange cap and a black packaging. Very unique, very cool. I'm super excited. But this is essential oils of sweets, orange, and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. This runs for $33. I'm gonna hate that if I fall in love with this to pay $33 for this, you guys. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this smells amazing, but you can use this in cold weather. Massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. You use this up to 12 months, but I'm excited about this one. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That is what I got this month in my BoxyCharm. I'm a little sad over the palette, but that's okay because I'm gonna give this palette by Ciate London a whirl. And yeah, I'm really excited really over this one. I'll be honest with you. I'm just like really intrigued over this lip balm and I am all about it. You know that I am a lip balm girl. ColourPop, if you ever see this video, please bring your lippy balms out again, like re-release them, because I've been begging you guys on Instagram to re-release your lippy balms. You guys harass them over lippy balms because literally it is the best formula that I've ever tried in a freaking lippy balm and I need them back in my life, seriously. So yeah, you guys, that is my BoxyCharm. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got. What are you guys excited for? I'm definitely excited over this lip balm, and I'm definitely gonna, like tonight, dive into this moisturizer to see if it's going to be good on my skin, which I hope it will be, because I need a moisturizer right now until I get my Milk vegan one. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Hit the like button and let me know that you are enjoying the BoxyCharm videos. And I will see you in a couple of days. Stay healthy. Be kind. I love you. Bye.